morning, my dear students. Today we shall study about human digestive system. In the previous class, we have studied about mouth and teeth. In mouth, we studied about teeth and tongue, but in teeth there are 32 permanent teeth. 32 permanent teeth in human body, in mouth, and 16 in each jaw. 16 teeth in each jaw. The dental formula for this is 2 1 2 3. 2 1 2 3. This is a dental formula. Dental formula of our teeth. Here too, first two is incisors. Here too is incisors, and this one is canines, and both two is premolars, and both three is molars. So this is a dental formula of our teeth. Okay, we have studied before in the class. Now I am going to study about esophagus. Esophagus. Just tube like structure. It is also a food pipe. It is a narrow tube like structure which is found below the mouth. The second part of our human digestive system is known as esophagus. Esophagus or food pipe, it is a food pipe. It is a food pipe, is a narrow tube that connects, and narrow tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. Tube that connects the mouth to stomach. Esophagus is a food pipe and narrow tube like structure that connects the mouth to stomach. If we take any food, then our mouth started digestion, and digestive enzyme secreted, which is a pepsin also, that secrete enzyme which digests our food in the mouth, and the mouth comes to esophagus, and esophagus the food come to our stomach. Now the second is stomach. What is stomach? Stomach has strong muscular walls. Stomach have a strong muscular walls. In adults, capacity of adults is 2 to 3 liters of food. Strong muscular walls. It have a strong muscular walls its capacity 2 to 3 liters food in our stomach. Muscle contracts and relax also. Okay, that muscle of the muscle of stomach can relax or contracts. In stomach, the food mixes with the help of digestive enzyme, which enzyme is known as chyme. Chyme is an enzyme which mix the food in our stomach. Which is secreted by our stomach, and also a gastric juice. Our stomach secreted a gastric juice, and another enzyme is pepsin, which is also known as, and another enzyme is pepsin, which is secreted by our stomach. These enzymes like chyme or pepsin, which help in our human digestive system. In our stomach, the one acid which help to kill the bacteria which is found in our stomach. That acid name is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is present in stomach that kills the bacteria which is harmful to our body. The hydrochloric acid present in our stomach that kills the bacteria which is harmful to our body, which cannot digest in this. Now I am going to another part of our digestive system, that is small intestine. Small intestine. Small intestine is a coiled tube-like structure which is found beneath our stomach. It is a coiled-like structure. It is a coiled-like structure which is found beneath the stomach. Small intestine is a coiled tube-like structure which is found beneath our stomach. The part next to the stomach, it is also known as duodenum. Duodenum is also known as esophagus. The middle region of duodenum is also known as duodenum. This is a part of our small intestine, duodenum and jejunum, which is found our small intestine, and beneath the small intestine the juice secreted by pepsin known as pancreatic juice, which is known as pancreatic juice. The duodenum secreted an enzyme and pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice. The pancreatic juice which help to our digestion, which going to small intestine and duodenum, and also a pancreas secreted a bile juice with the help of their bile ducts. Pancreas secreted a bile juice. Pancreas secreted a bile juice by the liver also. So, it is a coiled tube just beneath the skin of our stomach. Now, I am going to our large intestine. Large intestine. Large intestine have three main parts, that is cecum, colon and rectum. Three parts, that is cecum, colon and rectum. The three main parts of large intestine is cecum, colon and rectum. Cecum is a small pouch situated at the junction of small and large intestine, which is found in small and large intestine. It is found between small intestine and large intestine. This is known as cecum. The colon is a major region of our large intestine, or also known as middle region. Major region of it is a major region of large intestine. Large intestine. Colon is a major region of large intestine. The rectum is a last or short tube like structure which is found the last portion of our large intestine. It is a last portion of large intestine. Large portion of large intestine. So, this is about our human digestive system. Thank you.